Welcome back to BB Elevate today. We're excited to dive into Crypto Mania, Hype, Hope, and the Fall of FTX's billion-dollar fintech empire by Andrew R. Chow. This essential read is perfect for anyone interested in cryptocurrency, finance, or understanding the rise and fall of FTX and its CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried. Join us as we explore the key takeaways, chapter summaries, and the benefits of reading this insightful book. Don't miss out on this fascinating journey into the world of cryptocurrency and finance. Introducing Crypto Mania, the ultimate guide to the rise and fall of the cryptocurrency phenomenon. This meticulously crafted book delves into the captivating story of FTX, a prominent crypto exchange, and its visionary founder, Sam Bankman-Fried. Spanning across 416 pages, this gripping account takes readers on a journey through the intricate world of digital currencies. Published by Simon Acumen, Crypto Mania is expertly structured, with each chapter meticulously exploring various facets of the crypto industry, from the key players shaping this revolutionary market to the far-reaching consequences of FTX's collapse. The book offers an in-depth analysis and captivating insights. Immerse yourself in the pages of Crypto Mania, a comprehensive exploration of the crypto boom and bust. Discover the intricate details of FTX's rise and fall, and gain a deeper understanding of the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. This book is a must-read for anyone intrigued by the world of digital finance. Don't miss out on this extraordinary account that captures the essence of a remarkable era. Chapter Summaries 1. Introduction to the Crypto Boom. Overview of the rise in cryptocurrency during the pandemic, the excitement and the promises of revolutionizing various sectors like finance, art, and gaming. Sets the stage by capturing the initial optimism and hype around cryptocurrency. Chapter 2. Sam Bankman-Fried's rise. Sam Bankman-Fried's background, his strategies for rapid growth, and the early successes of FTX highlights the ambitious and aggressive tactics that brought Bankman-Fried into the spotlight. Chapter 3. The idealists versus the opportunists contrasts. The genuine blockchain advocates like Vitalik Buterin with opportunists who exploited the hype for personal gain provides a balanced view of the different motivations driving the crypto industry. Chapter 4. FTX's business practices. Examination of FTX's financial strategies, high-risk trades, and the parallels to the 2008 financial crisis offers a critical look at the practices that led to FTX's eventual downfall. Chapter. The Downfall chronicles the unraveling of FTX legal troubles and the exposure of deceptive practices, a gripping narrative of how internal and external pressures culminated in disaster. Chapter 6. Aftermath and Impact. The fallout from FTX's collapse, effects on investors, the broader market, and regulatory responses. Explores the wide-reaching consequences and lessons learned from the collapse. Chapter 7. Conclusion and Future Prospects. Key points. Reflections on the future of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance post-FTX. Concludes with thoughtful insights into the potential paths forward for the industry. Benefits of reading Crypto Mania. In-depth understanding. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the cryptocurrency boom and bust, and the factors that contributed to FTX's collapse. Real-world examples. Learn from detailed case studies of key players in the crypto industry, their strategies, and the outcomes. Cautionary tale provides valuable lessons on the risks of speculative investments and the importance of regulatory oversight. Andrew R. Chow's storytelling makes complex financial topics accessible and interesting. Summary of the book. Crypto Mania is an insightful and well-researched account of the rise and fall of FTX and its controversial CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried. The book offers a balanced view of the crypto industry's potential and pitfalls, contrasting idealistic visions with the harsh realities of greed and mismanagement. Through detailed reporting and personal stories, Chow captures the essence of the crypto mania and its aftermath. Andrew R. Chow does an excellent job of demystifying the complex world of cryptocurrency. His portrayal of Sam Bankman-Fried as a multifaceted character is particularly compelling, providing a nuanced view of his intelligence, ambition, and ethical lapses. The book's structure and flow keep readers engaged, while the in-depth analysis offers valuable insights into the dynamics of financial bubbles. Overall, Crypto Mania is a must-read for anyone looking to understand the highs and lows of the cryptocurrency industry. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content on finance, trading, and motivation. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching BB Elevate.